Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home with the presence of God. Today we are going to learn the subject science. What's the spelling for science? S-C-I-E-N-C-E, science. What's the spelling? S-C-I-E-N-C-E, science. In science, last week we learnt one new lesson, lesson 1. Do you all remember the name of the lesson? Yes, when you are telling correctly, the name of the lesson is Parts of the Body. Parts of the Body. P-A-R-T-S, parts. O-F-R-T-H-E, the B-O-D-Y, body. Parts of the body. In this lesson, first we learn some parts, main parts. What are the parts? Shall we learn once again? Revise it. H-A-I-R, hair. H-A-I-R, hair. And the next we learn is E-Y-E-I. Next we learn is E-Y-E-I. And the next we learn is nose. N-O-S-E, nose. How does nose help us? Nose helps us to smell. Very good. Nose helps us to smell. How many nose we have? We have only one nose. And look at the next one. What is this? Ear. Very good. How many ear we have? 2 ears. Very good. What's the spelling for ear? E-A-R, ear. E-A-R, ear. Look at the next one. What's this? Mouth. Good. What's the spelling for mouth? M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. What's the spelling for mouth? M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. And what part is it? What part is it? Neck. Very good. What's the spelling for neck? N-E-C-K. Neck. What's the spelling for neck? N-E-C-K. Neck. And look at here. What is this? Shoulder. Very good. What's the spelling for shoulder? S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. What's the spelling for shoulder? S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. And look at the next part where the boy is pointing. What part is it? Chest. Good. What's the spelling for chest? C-H-E-S-T. Chest. What's the spelling for chest? C-H-E-S-T. Chest. And look at here. Where the boy is keeping his hand? Stomach. Good. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. And look at here. Where the boy is keeping his hand? Yes, you are right. That's a hip. H-I-P, hip. H-I-P, hip. Very good. Look at the next part. What is this? Hand. H-A-N-D, hand. What's the spelling for hand? H-A-N-D, hand. And what part is it? Yes, you are right. Arm. A-R-M, arm. What's the spelling for arm? A-R-M, arm. Look at the next one. What is this? Yes, elbow. E-L-B-O-W. Elbow. What's the spelling for elbow? E-L-B-O-W. Elbow. Very good. And what part is it? Yes, you are right. That's a knee. K-N-E-E. Knee. What's that? K-N-E-E. Knee. Look at the next one. What's this? What part is it? Leg. Very good. What's the spelling for leg? L-E-G. Leg. What's the spelling for leg? L-E-G, leg. And look at here. What is that? Foot. What's that? Foot. F-O-O-T, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. These are the parts we learned last week. And today we are going to learn some other new parts. Shall we learn it now? Yes. Look at here how cute the boy is. He's very cute, no? Yes. Now look at here. What part is this? Head. From head. And what part is this? Neck. From head to neck, we have to say it as head. How we have to say? Head. What's the spelling for head? H-E-A-D. Head. What's the spelling for head? H-E-A-D. Head. And then here we have to say it as forehead. How we have to say? Forehead. F-O-R-E, 4. This is F-O-R-E, 4, not F-O-U-R-4. F-O-U-R-4 is a number. And this is a part, body part. What 4 you have to use? F-O-R-E. Okay, children? F-O-R-E, 4. H-E-A-D, head, forehead. What's the spelling for forehead? F-O-R-E, 4. H-E-A-D, head, forehead. And what is this? Cheek. Very good. What's this? Cheek. You learned one rhyme in KG, no? Yes. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips. You learned this, no? Yes. This place is a cheek. What's the spelling for cheek? C-H-E-E-K, cheek. What's the spelling for cheek? C-H-E-E-K, cheek. And what is that? What's the pink color? What's it? Lips. Very good. L-I-P-S, lips. L-I-P-S, lips. And the next one, below the lips, we have a chin. Below the lips, we have a chin. What's the spelling for chin? C-H-I-N, chin. C-H-I-N, chin. Very good. And from the forehead to the chin, from the forehead to the chin, we can say it as face. Very good, very good. F-A-C-E, face. How we have to say? From forehead to from forehead to the chin, we have to say it as face. Good. F-A-C-E, face. Now you understand these parts clearly. Shall we pass on to the next one? Yes. What picture is this? Hand picture. Very good. In hand, what we have? What is this? Fingers. Very good. You all are telling correctly. These are the fingers, no? Totally how many fingers we have in hand? In one hand, 5 fingers. In the other hand, 5 fingers. Totally how many fingers we have? 10 fingers. Very good. Now we are going to learn the names of the fingers. The names of the fingers. Fingers. Shall we learn it now? Yes. Now look at here. The first one and the biggest one. That is thumb. T-H-U-M-B. Thumb. T-H-U-M-B. Thumb. And look at the next one. What is this? Forefinger. The same 4 spelling. We learnt in foreheads. We learned F-O-R-E-4, no? The same spelling. F-O-R-E-4. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. Forefinger. We can say it as a pointing finger. Index finger also we can say. But in the book you have 4 finger. Okay, children? And look at the next one. What is this? Middle finger. Yes. Within this finger is between these 2 fingers and these 2 fingers, and this is in the middle, no? So we can call it as middle finger. What's the spelling for middle? M-I-D-D-L-E, middle, F-I-N-G-E-R, finger, middle finger. And then the next one is a ring finger. What's the spelling for ring? R-I-N-G, ring. F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. And your mommy daddy wear ring in this finger. Can you check it? Yes, you ask your mommy and daddy how we have to say the finger. Okay, they wear ring in this finger, so we can call it as a ring finger. And then look at the last one, and it's a small one also. What is that? Little. Small one we can call it as little. What's the spelling for little? L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. Little finger. 5 fingers we learned now. What are the 5 fingers? Thumb, forefinger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger. And all these 5 fingers come and join in the palm. All these 5 fingers come and join in the palm. What's the spelling for palm? P-A-L-M. Palm. What's the spelling for palm? P-A-L-M. Palm. Now you understand the fingers name, no children? Yes. Shall we pass on to the next one? Yes. Now, in hands we say it as fingers, and in legs also we have no? Yes, that we have to call it as toes. T-O-E-S, toes. How many toes you have? In one leg we have 5 toes, and in the other leg we have 5 toes. Totally we have 10 toes. 10 fingers in hand and 10 toes in legs. Now you understand? From the toe to the back, from here to here, we have to say it as sole. How we have to say? Sole. What's the spelling for sole? S-O-L-E, sole. And at the back, you have one bone, no? Strong bone. That we have to say it as heel. How we have to say? Heel. Now you understand what are the other parts in the leg? Yes, toes, T-O-E-S, toes, S-O-L-E, sole, and H-E-E-L, heel. Now you understand it clearly, no children? Yes. Now we are going to do the book exercise. What we have to do? We have to fill the correct words in the boxes. Here you have empty boxes, no? Yes, we are going to write the answers in the box. Choose from the words given below. Here you have some options are here. Options are here in the box, no? Yes. What are the options? Shall we see? H-E-E-L, heel. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. H-I-P, hip. A-R-M, arm. T-O-E, toe. C-H-E-S-T, chest. K-N-E-E, knee. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. N-O-S-E, nose. And F-O-O-T, foot. Okay, children? Shall we write it now? Shall we choose the option and write? Yes. Now, all of you take your pencil. We are going to write the answer. And the first one, what is this? Foot. Very good. You are right. F-O-O-T. Foot. The first one is foot. And the next one, what is this? Stomach. Very good. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Good. And then the next one, what is this? Chest. Very good. C-H-E-S-T. Chest. And look at here. What is this? Hip. Right. What's the spelling for hip? H-I-P. Hip. Good. And what is that? Nose. Yes. N-O-S-E. Nose. And the last one, how we got to say? Arm. Right. A-R-M. Arm. You all completed, children? Yes. The first one is foot. F-O-O-T, foot. And next one is stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. And then C-H-E-S-T, chest. H-I-P, hip. N-O-S-E, nose, and A-R-M, arm. Shall we look at the next exercise? Look at the next exercise. What is this? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Here you have question and here you have two options. You have to choose the correct option and you have to write it in the dash. Shall we read the question first? Number 1. I have 5 dash on each hand. What do you have in your hand? Fingers or toes? Yes, you are right. You have fingers. Very good. And look at the second one. I stand on my dash to look taller. With which you have to stand? With the heel, otherwise with the toes you have to stand to look taller. Yes, toes you have to use. And look at the third one. I pick up things with my dash. How you pick up things? With your hands, otherwise with your arms. With the help of the hands, we can hold things, no? Yes. So, we use hands. And look at the fourth one. I shut my dash when I sleep. When you sleep, which one you shut? You shut your eyes, otherwise you shut your ears. Yes, very good. You are right. We have to shut our eyes to sleep, no? Yes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. And look at the fifth one. The smallest finger is the dash finger. Which is the smallest finger? Little finger or the middle finger? Which is the smallest? Little. Very good. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Shall we write the answers now, children? Take your pencil. We are going to write the answers. I have dash fingers on each hand. Dash, 5 dash on each hand. Fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. I stand on my toes. T-O-E-S, toes. Very good. I pick up things with my hands. H-A-N-D-S, hands. I shut my dash when I sleep. I shut my eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. The smallest finger is the little finger. Good. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Now you all copy down the answers, children? Yes. Very good. Now you understand it clearly? Yes. What homework you have? The first homework you have is you have to read this lesson 1, parts of the body, and you have to complete the book exercises. We did it now. Choose and write the answers and fill in the blanks. That you have to complete it. Okay, children? And next one, what you have to do? You have to write the names of the fingers. We learned the names of the finger, no? Thumb, forefinger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger. Those 5 finger spellings you have to write 2 times in your rough book and you have to post it to me. Now you understand the lesson clearly, no children? Yes, I hope you all understand the lesson clearly. We will meet in the next session, children. Thank you.